1.7 billion views, 1 billion views, 827 million views, 753 million views, and then, yeah, another 100 million plus on each video. And here's the part that sounds fake but isn't. One of these videos pulled 780,000 views in just 23 hours. This channel, 54.4 million subscribers. Estimated monthly income, somewhere between $982,000 and $2.7 million. And no, this isn't a once-in-a-lifetime unicorn. There are tons of channels just like this, quietly printing views. In fact, I already made one of these videos myself. Let's watch it together real quick.
He was right behind us. He was right. We'll find him. We have to. What if we lost him forever? No, we don't think like that. I don't see anything. I see sand. What if he's scared and alone?
Then we better hurry and save him! Did you hear that? I heard something!
That sounded like him! Hello! We're here! Did you hear that?
Yes!
Don't stop!
We found you!
We really found you!
We stick together, always!
Always!
Pretty wild, right? Now here's where it gets crazy. I'm going to show you exactly how to copy this style of channel using free, simple, beginner-friendly AI tools. No experience, no team, no fancy setup. And the best part, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make videos like this using 100% free AI. So hit subscribe because we're not wasting a second, and let's get started. Step 1, idea generation. This step is the foundation of the entire process, so don't rush it. First, take the prompt I provided you, copy it exactly as it is, and paste it straight into ChatGPT. Once you hit generate, this is where the magic begins. ChatGPT will instantly give you multiple things at once. A prompt for image generation, a prompt for animation, and even dialogues that match each scene. This saves you hours of thinking and planning because the creative direction is already done for you. You're not guessing what to create, you're following a clear blueprint. Once you have those prompts ready, you're officially done with idea generation. And now it's time to turn words into visuals. Step 2, image generation. Now let's bring those ideas to life. Head over to Gemini, and once you're inside, make sure you select thinking mode, then choose create. This ensures you're getting the highest quality output. Start with scene 1. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini, and boom, your first image is ready. Then move on to scene 2. Paste the next prompt, generate the image, and repeat the exact same process for scene 3, scene 4, and every remaining scene. This part is simple, but powerful. You're basically assembling a full visual story, one scene at a time, without touching a camera or designing anything yourself. Once all your images are generated, make sure you remove any watermarks so your final video looks clean and professional. This step is important. It's what separates amateur content from pro-level output. Now that you have all your images ready, it's time to bring them to life. Step 3, animate your images with AI. This is where things start feeling next level. Go to Grok AI and upload your first scene image. Then copy the image to video prompt you got from ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit generate. Boom, your static image is now a moving video clip. Repeat this exact process for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and the rest of your images. Upload the image, paste the prompt, generate the clip. No complexity, no editing skills required. By the time you're done, you'll have a full set of animated video clips, each one matching the story and flow you planned from the beginning. Now comes the final step, putting everything together. Step 4, combine your clips. Head over to CapCut and drop all your video clips directly into the timeline. Arrange them in the correct order, scene by scene, making sure everything flows smoothly. Once your clips are lined up, add background music to set the mood. Then layer in sound effects where needed to enhance the visuals, and keep viewers engaged. After that, add captions, because captions are essential for retention, especially on short-form platforms. When everything looks clean and polished, hit export, and just like that, your video is done. No camera, no filming, no advanced editing skills. That's the full process from idea to final video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this.